Hey everyone, let's talk about the one of the biggest pain points of the restaurants, rush hour calls. Picture this, it's Friday night, the restaurant is running busy, the phone rings once, twice, 5 times. Nobody picks up because no one can. And every missed call is a lost reservation, is a lost cost, lost money. Or worse, a negative review like I tried to call a lot of time but no one answered. Your staff can't multitask like machines. And let's be real, they shouldn't have to. They should focus on in-house experience, not the fight between floor, phone and kitchen. But what if there was always someone who picked up, never got tired, knew your availability, and could handle bookings like pro? Let me show you how exactly our voice agents work.
Hello, welcome to the Eiffel Restaurant. This is Bob. Whom am I talking to?
Hi Bob, this is Tanishk.
Hey, Danish. Great to hear from you. How can I assist you today? Looking to make a reservation?
Yeah, please book me a table for tomorrow, 5 pm.
Alrighty, let me check if we have a table available for you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Just a moment. One moment. Looks like we're fully booked at 5 p.m. tomorrow. The available slots are at 11 a.m., 12 p.m., and 1 p.m. Do any of those work for you?
Yeah, book it for 1 pm.
Gotcha. How many guests should I reserve for, and is this a special occasion?
Okay, book it for 3 people, and yeah, it's my birthday.
Hold on a sec. Your table for 3 has been successfully booked for your birthday at 1 p.m. tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic celebration. Anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
You're welcome, Danish. Enjoy your birthday and have a great time at Eiffel. If you need anything else, just give us a shout. Have a good one.
Bye. So, the entire call was handled without any human involvement. No hold music, no missed call, just smooth serve. Now, let me explain you what's happening behind the scenes. So, let's jump on our laptop. This is the whole workflow of the restaurant AI. When a customer calls in, call starts, and the agent checks if is it a previous caller or someone new is calling the restaurant. If it's a previous caller, this branch is triggered. So the agent says, hello, welcome to the Eiffel restaurant, how are you doing? Name, it's the first name of the person which is taken from the database. And if it's a new caller, then it says whom am I talking to. And after that, when the person replies with their name, so the name and phone number goes into the database. After that, 3 questions are asked, as you saw in our call. Firstly, what date and time would you like to book the table? How many guests will be joining you? Is there any special occasion? And we give the answer to all of them. And after that, the agent checks the available slots. If the requested time is available, then this branch is triggered. Else, it checks the available slots for that day and it asks the person for the new time. After getting the new requested time from the person, it books the table. And after that, it asks, how can I help you else? And if there is any further question, then yeah, it will assist, or else goodbye, talk to you soon. Similarly here, if the person has called first time, then it asks the person name and the same thing happens. So yeah, this is the whole workflow, and the tools used to build this voice agent is Vapi and Make.com. And in Make.com we have used 2 scenarios, this one and this one. So yeah, in this video I've walked you through the voice AI agent for restaurants and the full workflow behind it. If you found it valuable, share this video, and if you are ready to scale your business using voice AI, book a meeting with us using the link in the description. Till then, keep building and goodbye.